Hi there, welcome back to my channel. I am Victoria Kneebone, Ottawa real estate agent, and today you're going to come with me to host an open house. We are headed to Vanier today, and we are going to hold an open house for a 2-bedroom detached bungalow. It's listed for $525, and I want to take you along on this journey with me so you can see what it's like and get all set up and everything like that. Well, I've arrived at Vachon, 114 Vachon for the open house. So why don't you help me get ready? First, let's take a look at the street and just see what the street is like. Pretty quiet street, nice neighborhood, and that is the house. Let's go in and take a look. There's to the backyard. Beautiful stairs on the entranceway. They've got their light on outside already. All right, as we come in, we're going to want to make sure that we flip on all of the lights. Okay, that one does not work. All the way through to the back. This is the kitchen. Beautiful. Backyard light is on. There we go. That light down there went on. There we go. And let's see, what other lights can we turn on? Cute little living area. In here we have the bedroom, lights on in there, the bathroom. Oh, I love the light in the bathtub as well. Main bedroom. And I'm not sure if there are any lights for the basement. Let's go check it out. Basement down here is not finished, so that is okay. Well, we have a pretty slow start to this open house. Nobody has come by just yet, so let's get all of our papers set up. So first thing, we have our sign-in sheet where they put in their name, email, address, and their phone number. This way the homeowners know who has come through the house and that we have a record of it, just in case anything were to happen. Next, we have a feature sheet. And so this feature sheet just talks a little bit about the home, the year it was built, 1950, the type of foundation, all of those kind of like important pieces of info that you need to know. And then we have a prettier feature sheet, which has a little bit more photos, a little bit of information about myself and everything like that as well. And we also have a postcard that we're giving away. We did this for the home show as well. So it says, "Hello, Autumn," and it has a few fall home maintenance checklist items, so you can have that handy. And also, I don't know about you guys, but I love my air fryer at home. I actually was a little late jumping on the bandwagon, but we got it this summer, and myself and my kids love it. So we also have this, so you can put this on your fridge. On the back side of the maintenance checklist, it has air fryer cooking times. Okay, well, it is 4:15 and the last people just left. I actually wasn't able to tape too much while everyone was here at 2 o'clock. Just after 2 o'clock, the first people came through, and she was a neighbor who was looking at it, and we actually ended up sitting here talking for probably about an hour about the community, about the neighborhood, about what she wanted, about what the options were for this house, about the home buying process. We had a really nice long chat. And then she left, and I had about 15 minutes quietness to myself just to, make sure everything was perfect. And then we had 6 more people come through in the last half hour. So that's quite a lot from 3:30 to 4:15 for people to come through. But overall, it was pretty good. We had a lot of interested people, and we have a lot of people that are looking for places in the neighborhood. And I got to meet a bunch of interesting new potentially clients. So all in all, I think today went pretty good. So now I'm going to head out of here. I'm going to give the feedback to the listing agent, and I'm going to follow up with everybody who came through, answer some more of their questions. There's a little bit of research that I need to do and get back to them, and we'll see what the rest of the night brings. So now I just got to clean up everything and turn off all the lights and lock up the house.